Power off and unplug the power cord. Retract the screen. Place the machine on its side. Unplug the connecting wires and take them out from the cable clips. Remove the front bottom plate, unscrew 10 screws. Take off the front bottom plate. Unplug the screen cable. Remove the screen. Install the new screen. Pay attention to the orientation. Tighten the screws. Arrange the screen cable properly and install the screen bracket cover. Plug in the screen cable. Install the front bottom plate, tighten 10 screws. Plug in the connecting wires. Ensure the wires pass through the cable clips. Place the machine upright. Unfold the screen. Plug in the power cord and turn it on. Click Settings. Self-check. Check all options and start detecting. Wait for the machine self-check to complete.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.